Ụtụtụ ọma ụmụ Igbo ibe m. Aka m bụkwa nwanne ụnụ nwaanyị Oriakụ Nachukwu Akụjobi si Shalom. Ama m na ahụ dị ụnụ mma nke ukwuu. N'ụbọchị taa, o nwere ihe m chọrọ iweta. Achọrọ m iweta ụfọdụ ahịrịokwu ndị anyị na-ekwukarị n'ezinụlọ. I'll be mixing this up with English language. I want to bring some of those things, some of those words, some of those sentences we use commonly in the home, so that our kids can learn from them. So that when you tell your child this, the child will understand you in Igbo language. And I want this video, I'm making it specifically for kids, the growing ones that are not used to or conversant with some of the Igbo words or sentences that are used in the family. Play this video for them. Let them go through this video and then learn how to use them. Learn when you say this, this is what it means. When you say this, this is what it means. I'm not going to be bringing everything we have in Igbo language, but I'm going to be bringing the most important. And I'm with ndị kacha mkpa n'ezinụlọ. M ga-ebido with, what is your name? What is your name? Ihe m ji na-eme ihe onyonyo ahụ, achọ m ka ndị nne na nna bido sụwara ụmụ ha Igbo. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-enwe ohere, gosi nwa gị onyonyo a, o lee ya, larịa ya, ọ ga-ebido mụtawa ụfọdụ ihe ndị a. Mgbe ị kụziri ya, ọ mara ihe ị kwuru. What is your name? What is your name pụtara, gịnị bụ aha gị? Gịnị bụ aha gị? When your mother or when you tell your child, gịnị bụ aha gị? When someone asks you, gịnị bụ aha gị, the person actually means, what is your name? Gịnị bụ aha gị? I'm using the Central Igbo. I'm not going to be using dialects. Remember, every village, every community have their own dialect, but I'm using the Central Igbo. Gịnị bụ aha gị? What is your name? Gịnị bụ aha gị? What is your name? Then you will answer. Aha m bụ. You put your name. Aha m bụ. For instance, you can say, I can ask you, gịnị bụ aha gị? And your name is John. Isim. You say, aha m bụ John. Aha m bụ John. That means my name is John. Aha m bụ John. Ama m na ahụ ihe m dere ebe a, mana just na-ege m ntị. Ihe ndị a dị ayịrị ya, ama m ga-ahụkwa ya ọfụma. Gịnị bụ aha gị? Ịzasị, aha m bụ John. What is your name? My name is John. Gịnị bụ aha gị? Aha m bụ John. Okay, nke ọzọ m na-ewetakwa bụ bịa. Bịa simply means come. And then the next one is gawa. Gawa is what? Go. When your mom wants to tell you, say, go. Gawa. You understand? Gawa means go. Bia means come. The next one, hapụ m aka. Leave me alone. Hapụ m aka. You know, sometimes you might be pestering someone and the person will say, hapụ m aka. The person means, leave me alone. Hapụ m aka. The next one is ọ gịnị means, what is it? You might be disturbing someone and the person out of anger might say, what is it? Ọ gịnị is a question. The next one, duru ala, sit down. Duru ala means sit down. Duru ala. Now stand up means guzoro ọtọ. Guzoro oto. Some people might not finish it. They will just say guzoro. Guzoro oto. Stand up. Guzoro oto. Stand up. Or they will say guzoro. Stand. Guzoro. Stand. Guzoro oto. Stand up. The next one is lawa. Lawa. Lawa means go. Go. Lawa, lawa, lawa. Go. Lawa. Ala alam. I'm gone. Maybe you came to someone's house and then you were chatting in Igbo and you say, alawalam. Alawalam. That means I'm going. Alawalam. Alawalam. I'm going. Alawalam. I'm going. The next one. Inagebe. Inagebe. Where are you going to? Inagebe. Inagebe is a question. Where are you going to? Inagebe. Where are you going to? Inagebe. Kebe inaga. Some people will say kebe inaga. Kebe inaga. And then you answer. Anamaga. You tell the person where you're going to. Anamaga. Let's say, for instance, you're going to church. You say, Anamaga oloka. Anamaga oloka. Church. If you're going to school, you say, Anamaga ụlọ akwụkwọ. Anamaga ụlọ akwụkwọ. I'm going to school. Okay. The next one. Ogini na-eme gị. Ogini na-eme gị. What is wrong with you? What is it? What's happening with you? Ogini na-eme gị. Ogini na-eme gị. What's wrong with you? What is the problem? Ogini na-eme gị. Ogini na-eme gị. The next one is bịa ọsọ ọsọ. Come fast. Fast. Run. Come. Bịa ọsọ ọsọ. Bịa ọsọ ọsọ. Bịa ọsọ ọsọ. Come fast. Bịa ọsọ ọsọ. Bịa ọsọ ọsọ. Oh, come fast. Don't waste time. Bịa ọsọ ọsọ. Tinye, put. Tinye, put. Tinye means put. Tinye. Tinye, put. For example, you might say, Tinyere m nri. Put food for me. Tinyere m nri. Put food for me. Tinyere m nri. Nri is food. Tinyere m nri. Put food for me. Tinyere m nri. Now, you might also say, Achọrọ m iri nri. Achọrọ m iri nri. Achọrọ m iri nri. I want to eat food. Achọrọ m iri nri. I want to eat food. Maybe you're hungry. Say, oh, Mom, agụrụ na-agụ m. Agụrụ na-agụ m means I'm hungry. Agụrụ na-agụ m. Agụrụ na-agụ m. I'm hungry. Agụrụ na-agụ m. I'm hungry. Achọrọ m iri nri. I want to eat food. So you say it together. Agụrụ na-agụ m. Achọrọ m iri nri. Agụrụ na-agụ m. Achọrọ m iri nri. I am hungry. I want to eat food. Agụrụ na-agụ m. Agụrụ na-agụ m. Achọrọ m iri nri. Agụrụ na-agụ m means I am hungry. Achọrọ m iri nri means I want to eat food. Let me go on. Okay, ekwuola m ndị nke a. Hapụ ihe ahụ. Hapụ ihe ahụ. Leave that thing. When your mom says, hapụ ihe ahụ. Hapụ ya. It means leave that thing. Hapụ ihe ahụ. Hapụ ihe ahụ. Leave that thing. Hapụ ihe ahụ. Leave that thing alone. Don't touch it. Hapụ ihe ahụ. Don't touch it. Hapụ ihe ahụ. Ọzọ bụkwa. Gaa wetere m. Go and bring for me. Gaa wetere m. Go and bring for me. The person will tell you what, maybe akpa. Gaa wetere m akpa. That's go and bring a bag for me. Gaa wetere m akpa. Go and bring a bag for me. Gaa wetere m akpa. Go and bring a bag for me. Gaa wetere m akpa. Gaa wetere means go and bring. You can, if you don't know how to say it, maybe you don't know how to say that thing in Igbo language, you can actually say, Gaa wetere m cup. Just keep learning. Keep learning. Cup is Iko. But if you don't know how to pronounce the item, just say Gawe Terem. You're trying when you're saying that. Gawe Terem. See, learning Igbo language is not something you learn immediately, like a day thing. No, it's a gradual process. You have to keep trying. You have to keep practicing. You just keep practicing, and before you know it, you're perfect. Okay, it's sweet. Just try. Don't stress yourself about it. Don't disturb your life about it. Just enjoy it while doing it. And parents, please, I encourage you to speak Igbo language for your kids. Just as I'm talking, immediately I'm done with this video, I'm going to still share it with my boy, because I want him to like come out one day and be bold to speak Igbo language just the way he flows with English language. Remember, the essence of my teachings is to make us see the use of our mother tongue and start using them. Igbo Amaka. Igbo is sweet. Let's get back to our origin. Let's get back to our culture. Let's appreciate our language. Let's appreciate what we have. There are lots more you can say in Igbo language, but because of my time, I'm going to stop here. If you have any question, don't forget, drop your question. Go to my Facebook, Onachukwu Akujobi, see Shalom. Inbox me, drop your question. Onachukwu Akujobi, see Shalom. Onachukwu Akujobi, see Shalom. Drop your question, please. After watching this video, don't fail to subscribe. There's something written on red under this video. Subscribe. You will see it there. Press there. Subscribe. Like and share. Share to others. Please. Please don't watch without subscribing. Don't watch without subscribing. Press it now. Just now. Right now. Okay? Thank you. I still remain your teacher, Mrs. Onachukwu Akujobi. See you next time.